Hey everybody, welcome back everyone to another video here on Justin Garn. So today guys, we're going to do part 6 of the 2017 Donruss Racing Hobby box. And we're going to do part 6 for the Jimmie Johnson autograph and relic hunt. So again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Love for y'all to come join us for more videos. So we have, this is our 6th box. If we do not, now this is what's going to happen. If we do not pull a Jimmie autograph, then we're going to have to continue until we do. This is my last box I have right here. I'm hoping this one right here will be the trick. But we'll have to wait and see. Again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And we're going to go ahead and get started. This time I'm going to put an X on it this time since I got tons of these boxes. So got a trash can right beside me this time, so to make it a whole lot easier. So again guys, you guys can go back and watch part 1 and everything else. We got our packs here, so we got our packs and stuff, and we're ready to go. So we're definitely ready. So let's, whatever pack feels fit, guys, we will save that for last. So we'll save that for last. Okay, so let's see what we can get in our first pack. So again, guys, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and get started. Like we said, guys, we done these bunches of times, so we'll just... Okay, we got a Jimmie Johnson again. JJ. That's our third time we did a JJ of Jimmie Johnson. JJ. Chase Elliott Jr. Great. Hey, to make this more easier, we'll go with this route. And again, once, guys, so we'll, whatever pack feels thick, we'll save those for last. Okay, none of these feel thick. Alright, so we're good. Alright, so see what we get here in our second pack. Got a Kevin Harvick, David Reagan, Alex Bowman, Michael Annette, Carl Edwards, flipped upside down on me, Jeff Burton. I can't tell what that says. I'm not going to say it because I have no clue what that means. No clue. Again, guys, if we do not pull a Jimmie Johnson autograph, what we'll have to do is we'll have to continue with the autograph and stuff hunt and stuff like that. We'll just continue. Okay, I apologize that everyone. What happened was I tried to open this pack and it slipped on me, so... And it did that right there, so I do apologize. So, like we did, guys, before, autographs and relics we will save for last. So, let's see what we can get out of this one. Like I say, guys, I do apologize. Again, autographs and relics we will save for last. Got a Mark Martin Classics. Nice Mark Martin. Nice Mark Martin. That's our second Mark Martin we have pulled. Lending Castle Gold. 376 out of 499 Lending Castle Gold. Nice Lending Castle Gold. 376 out of 499. This time I'm going to try to Oh, that one was way easy to open right there. That's kind of weird. Okay. Got Jimmie. Race Kings, Trevor Bang. That's our third or fourth, fifth time we pulled this one. Race Kings, Trevor Bang. And more base. We got more of these. See what we get in our next pack. Alright, we'll see, guys. Okay. Got a Mark Martin, back to the 84 design. Matt Kenseth. And Brian Scott. But yeah, Mark Martin 84 design. That's like our third time that we pulled that Mark Martin 84 design. Matt Crafton, Brad Keselowski, Eric Jones, Kevin Harvick, Race Kings. That's like our second or third time we pulled a Kevin Harvick, Race Kings. And more bases. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that one there. That was 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now I'm filling out which ones that feels kind of thick. Whatever feels thick. Okay, yeah, that one feels thick. We'll save that one for last. This one feels a little thicker too for some reason. Some feels a little funny with that one, but we'll see. Oops. Everything just wants to fly out of there like crazy. Got a Jimmie. Okay. Kyle Busch, green. Some Kyle Busch fan, Rowdy. That's our first time we've seen this one. Kyle Busch, green, Rowdy. 148 out of 199, Kyle Busch, green. 148 out of 199, Kyle Busch. That just flew out of nowhere. Another Kevin Harvick. What is up with these Kevin Harvicks? Cracked ice. Kevin Harvick. Cracked ice. 414 out of 999. Kevin Harvick. Cracked ice. Bobby Labonte back to the 84 design. We done seen this one like, gosh, who knows how many times we have seen that one. Bobby Allison. Okay, got a Bobby Allison. Gold. That's a nice Bobby Allison. 403 out of 499. Bobby Allison. 403 out of 499. Bobby Allison Gold. That's a nice Bobby Allison. That's our first time pulling that one. Bobby Allison. Okay, let's see what we get on our next one here. Wow. That's a beautiful... Whoa, 2 Jimmie cards right off the bat. Are you kidding? Track Masters, Jimmie Johnson. That's a beautiful Jimmie right there. Beautiful Jimmie right there. That's a beautiful one. And then get another Jimmie Johnson. Top tier, Jimmie Johnson, not numbered. That's a beautiful Jimmie right there. Not numbered or anything, top tier. That's a nice Jimmie one. That's the first time I've seen those two. Been pulling mostly like Denny Hamlin's and Kevin Harvick's and everybody else, so. Let's see what we can get on our next couple of rows. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, that one feels thick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start with this stack right here. Alright, guys, we'll save our... Okay, you know, for some reason, some of these feel thick for some reason. Some of these actually kind of feel thick. Got a second one of these. Kate. 367 out of 499. That's like our third time that we pulled this one. 367 out of 499. Okay. Kyle Busch Gold. 416 out of 499. Kyle Busch. Kyle Busch Gold. 416 out of 499. Kyle Busch Gold. Yeah, Jimmie, we'll put you backwards this time. Do this one. Okay, let's see what we get out of here. Track Masters, Joey Logano. 492 out of 999. Cracked ice. 492 out of 999. Cracked ice, Joey Logano. Nice one. Ty Dillon, back to the 84 design. More of those. So we've been... To me, guys, if we, like I say, if we do not pull the Jimmie Johnson auto out of this, then what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to I'm actually impressed, guys. I haven't had to use the scissors except just to cut that box is all I had to do. Okay, well, Justin Allgaier, we'll save you for Brad Keselowski. Tyler Reddick. We'll save this one for last, because something's a little spishy with that one, so we'll see. Allgaier. Keep us right there, Justin Allgaier. Please, oh please be someone good. Please be someone good. That's, to me, guys, I'm impressed right now. I have not had to use the scissors. And just start this one. Oh, come on. Guys, this might be the first time guys might have to use. Oh no, not this time. So we'll figure out what that is in a second, as soon as we get through the rest of these. Dale Jr., Brad Keselowski, Joey Logano, blue. 250 out of 299, Joey Logano, blue. Joey Logano, blue. Blue, oh. My favorite color, blue. Joey Logano, blue. 250 out of 299. Joey Logano, blue. Okay. To me, guys, I don't know why sometimes these things are hard to get open sometimes, but we'll manage it. We will manage it. Okay. Might have some of these might go backwards on me again, but Martin Truex Jr. Cracked ice, speed. There we go. Now we got the cracked ice. 270 out of 999. Cracked ice, Martin Truex Jr. Nice one there. Carl Edwards. That's a nice Carl Edwards right there. That's a different one. I have never seen this one. Cousin Carr. Look at this one. That's a nice one right there. Cousin Carr. Okay. We're pretty soon getting closer and closer to figure out, okay, are we going to get someone good or are we going to get something crap? If it is, then we'll have to get some more boxes and just have to continue with the autograph and relic hunt. We'll just have to get some more boxes. If we do not pull a Jimmie auto, we'll just have to continue. Race Kings, Bobby Labonte. I think that's our second time we pulled this one. Not numbered. For some reason, a couple of these packs feels a little bit funny. There for the moment. What the? Dude! No flipping way. Did we just get a 1 of 1? Are you flipping me? Are we getting a 1 of 1? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are we getting a 1 of 1? Oh God. Please don't tell me it'll be a redemption. Please. Gosh. Please don't be a redemption. Because if it is, it's done no good. Oh my gosh. Richard Childers. Hide that. Now, question is, are we getting 2 autographs? Because that looks like says a congratulations on that one. And we still have these packs left. For some reason, are we seriously getting a 1 of 1? Come on, Richard Childers. Hide that for us. Are we seriously getting a 1 of 1 printing plate? That would be so sick in our 6th box we pulled a 1 of 1. That would be sick. That would be really, really sick. I want to figure out what's what here, because that would be pretty sick if we pulled someone really good. So let's see what we can get here in these packs right here, and we'll figure out what those are in just a second. That would be really, really sick. I have never, ever pulled a one-of-one. My goal, if I couldn't pull a Jimmie Auto, I would love to pull a really cool one-of-one of someone good. I'm praying God, hope it's somebody good. That would be pretty sick if it was a Jimmie Johnson one-of-one. That would be pretty darn sick. Casey King. I'm just wanting about ready these guys to see what that is. It looks like a printing plate. But gosh, please, do not be a redemption. Because if it's a redemption, guys, it's no good. Because redemption's done, long expired. But man, that one-of-ones, guys, are so hard to pull. One-of-ones, guys, are really, really hard to pull. Trevor Bang green. 39 out of 199, Trevor Bang. That's a nice Trevor Bang right there. I'm kind of curious, guys. I'm really, really kind of nervous about this one. This one could be probably the best pull I have ever did. And guys, we may have pulled a one-of-one. That would be freaking sick. I meant really, really sick. We pulled a good one-of-one of someone. That would be Kyle Larson back to the 84 design. That would be pretty sick if we did. You know what now? We just got these. You know, since this one does not feel thick, and these do, we'll get this one. I thought this one may have had something good, but for some reason, that one's a mystery, and that one is a mystery. Could we may have pulled a one-of-one? We'll get to that one last. Hopefully, guys, it's someone really, really good. Alright, let's see what's in this one. We got some blue. What the heck? Oh, wow. Look at this Dale Earnhardt Jr. Cracked Ice, Dale Earnhardt Jr. 580 out of 999, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Beautiful card, Dale Jr. That's a beautiful one right there. Put that right there. David Pearson, back to the 84 design. Kurt Busch, Montreux Jr., and Cameron Haley. Okay, we got 2 packs left. Then we're going to have to do some figuring out here, okay? Because it says 1 autograph, 2 relics per, 2 medable cards per box. Let's get these packs open. We'll get these open. See what we get out of this one. And alright, guys, I haven't even seen it, guys. It hasn't even moved. I don't know, but guys, remember, guys, we'll save our relics and autos and stuff for last. Cut to the chase, Montreux Jr. We'll put that one right there. Go through the rest of these. Oh, come on, Pop, don't follow me. We got another thick one. More bases. Okay. Okay, now we're going to do some figuring out here. Okay, what is that and what is this? It's a 1 of 1. That's probably a 1 of 1. We're going to figure out what this one is. Who are you? It's a Team Penske driver. Brad Keselowski, high and right beside of Brad Keselowski. Okay. We got a Brad Keselowski dual relic. Not numbered. Put that right there, right on the screen. Here, we'll set that right there. There we go. We'll put it right here. So, okay, we'll see what this is. It's a Stewart-Haas racing driver. It's a Stewart-Haas. Man, so we're not going to get a Jimmy relic. Kevin Harvick. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Kevin Harvick. Fire suit. Looks like a piece of fire suit. Kevin Harvick. Nice Kevin Harvick. Put those right there on the screen. Now, guys, I did order Whoops. Sorry about that. So right now, we're going to figure out here who is what here. I don't want to spoil it. Okay. Okay, it's signatures right here. Okay. Justin Allgaier is an RHR driver. Brendan Jones. Allgaier, you didn't do really good for us. Brendan Jones. Autograph. Sticker auto. Well, I guess we're going to continue with the Jimmie Johnson autograph and relic hunt. Guess we're going to have to continue. Okay. Now this one here is a little suspicious. Could we have May of Chance pulled of 1 of 1? That would be so sick. 1 of 1. You guys see that? 1 of 1. Come on. Please be someone good. Card number 34. You have received a printing plate from 2017 Donruss Rated Rookies. Cameron Haley. Mention plate 1 of 1. Oh, wow. Look at this one. 1 of 1. Guys, I never pulled a 1 of 1 mental plate before. Cameron Haley. 1 of 1. Cameron Haley. Wow. First time I have never, ever pulled. I have never, ever pulled a 1 of 1. What a nice card right here. 1 of 1. Printing plate. They took it and put it into a sheet metal. So, wow. 1 of 1. You have received a printing plate of 2017 Panini Donruss Racing Rated Rookies, Cameron Haley. Minute plate 1 of 1. Very, very, very nice. 1 of 1. Wow. 1 of 1. Cameron Haley. Wow. Rated Rookies. This one here. That's a beautiful one again. Yep, Cameron Haley. 1 of 1. Let me set it down. Okay, well, that was really, really good. I'm actually kind of happy. We pulled a 1 of 1 on the channel. I know it's probably not a big one. That would have been really, really sick if it was a Jimmie Johnson 1 of 1. But hey, we pulled some Jimmie Johnson cards today. Some real good ones. Cards I have never seen before. Wow. We pulled a Kevin Hart Fire Suit, a Brad Keselowski relic, a Brendan Jones autograph, and a Cameron Haley 1 of 1. How about that? That is such a beautiful card. The Cameron Haley. Such a beautiful card. Okay, well, that was part 6. Now, officially, we did not find it. So, it looks like, guys, we're back to the drawing board again. And we're going to have to find some more. So, guys, we're going to have to continue, guys. We're going to have to do part 7 and stuff like that, guys. So, we're going to have to continue, guys. And we're going to have to do part 7 on the Jimmie Johnson autograph and relic hunt. So, we will continue and do part 7. So, anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That is a nice one. 1 of 1. Cameron Haley printing plate. I'd probably say, guys, maybe that 1 of 1, guys, is probably worth something. Because there's only one of these made in existence. That I probably got my money back just from every autograph and stuff that I have pulled. And relics. I probably, number cards, I could probably sell the whole thing as a lot if I wanted to. But I'm keeping these. Anyway, we will have to continue, guys. We'll have to do part 7 of the Jimmie Johnson autograph and relic hunt. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll be doing some more NASCAR Heat 4. We'll be continuing some more of that. We're going to be a little bit before we do some more of these. But anyway, that's pretty cool. A 1 of 1. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. And I will see you all tomorrow. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night, everybody.